Space, the final frontier for outlaws? The vast expanse of space, filled with twinkling stars and swirling galaxies, has always captivated the human imagination. It represents the ultimate unknown, a realm of endless possibilities. But what if, lurking among those celestial wonders, are modern-day pirates, plundering starships and smuggling illicit goods across the cosmos? The idea of space pirates and galactic smugglers sends a thrill down our spines. It's a tantalizing thought, blending the adventure of classic pirate lore with the cutting-edge technology of science fiction. Let's embark on a journey to explore the possibility of outlaws in space. Prepare to boldly go where no one has gone before, as we unravel the mysteries of space pirates and galactic smugglers. To understand space pirates, we must first understand their motivations. What drives these individuals to a life outside the law, risking everything amidst the unforgiving expanse of space? One possibility is simple greed. The universe is teeming with valuable resources, rare minerals on asteroids, exotic life forms on uncharted planets, and perhaps even advanced technology from long-lost civilizations. But greed is just one side of the coin. Imagine a future where mega corporations control interstellar trade routes, exploiting workers and dictating exorbitant prices. In such a scenario, rebellion might be the only recourse for desperate colonists struggling to survive on the fringes of space. Perhaps some are driven by a thirst for adventure. The vastness of space offers unparalleled freedom and the chance to explore the unknown. Whatever the reason, the motivations of space pirates are as complex and varied as the universe itself. In a galaxy bound by laws and regulations, there will always be those who seek to exploit the cracks in the system. Galactic smugglers thrive in the shadows, transporting goods deemed illegal or dangerous by the ruling powers. But what exactly are these illicit treasures that make smuggling so lucrative? Imagine a black market bustling with exotic flora and fauna from distant planets, their genetic material highly sought after for medical research or illicit bioengineering. Or perhaps ancient artifacts imbued with unknown powers, coveted by collectors and scholars alike. Information itself could become the ultimate contraband. In a future where knowledge is power, smugglers might traffic in stolen data, classified research, or even the identities of individuals seeking to disappear. The allure of forbidden goods lies in their very nature. The thrill of the forbidden, the promise of immense wealth, and the power that comes with controlling access to something rare and desired. No self-respecting space pirate or smuggler would be caught dead without a trusty starship, their vessel of choice, reflecting their individual style and the demands of their illicit trade. Imagine sleek, stealthy ships, their hulls painted black as night, designed to slip past planetary defenses and disappear into the vastness of space. Their cargo holds would be outfitted with advanced cloaking devices and jamming technology, rendering them invisible to even the most sophisticated scanners. On the other hand, some pirates might prefer brute force over stealth, commanding massive warships bristling with weaponry. But a starship is only as good as its crew. Space pirates and smugglers would rely on skilled pilots, navigators who can chart courses through treacherous wormholes, and engineers who can keep their ships running smoothly even under the most dire circumstances. The tools of the trade for these cosmic outlaws would be a blend of advanced technology and raw ingenuity. Section 5. Black holes of the law evading galactic authorities. In the vast expanse of space, evading the long arm of the law becomes a game of cat and mouse played out on a cosmic scale. Space pirates and smugglers would need to be masters of deception and evasion, utilizing every trick in the book to stay one step ahead of galactic authorities. Imagine them exploiting the unpredictable nature of wormholes, disappearing into these cosmic shortcuts only to reappear light years away, leaving their pursuers baffled and disoriented. Or perhaps they establish hidden bases within asteroid fields or nebulae, the celestial equivalents of Earth's pirate coves, cloaked from prying eyes. The vastness of space itself becomes their greatest ally, a seemingly endless playground where they can disappear amidst a sea of stars, leaving the authorities grasping at shadows. Section 6. The romance and the reality, separating fact from fiction. The allure of space pirates and galactic smugglers often stems from their romanticized portrayal in popular culture. We imagine swashbuckling rogues, laser pistols blazing, battling for treasure under a canopy of stars. But how much of this is pure fantasy, and how much could actually hold true? The reality is that space is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Life as a space pirate would be anything but glamorous. They would face constant danger, from hostile alien life forms to the unforgiving vacuum of space itself. Resources would be scarce, and the line between survival and disaster razor thin. While the romantic notion of space pirates might involve daring raids and epic space battles, the reality might be far more mundane. Yet, even in this gritty reality, there's a certain allure to the freedom and independence that a life outside the law might offer. Section 7. Could they exist? Weighing the possibilities. So far, we've explored the motivations, the methods, and the myths surrounding space pirates and galactic smugglers. But the question remains, could they actually exist? The answer, like the universe itself, is complex and shrouded in uncertainty. On the one hand, the vastness of space makes it incredibly difficult to police. Even with advanced technology, patrolling every corner of the galaxy for illicit activity would be a monumental task. This leaves plenty of room for outlaws to operate in the shadows, exploiting the gaps in surveillance and enforcement. However, the same vastness that makes space difficult to police also makes it incredibly challenging for pirates to operate effectively. Ultimately, the existence of space pirates and galactic smugglers hinges on a delicate balance. The potential for profit versus the risks involved, the reach of the law versus the vastness of space. Section 8. A universe of unknowns, where imagination meets reality. While the existence of space pirates and galactic smugglers remains a topic of speculation, the very act of imagining such possibilities pushes the boundaries of our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It forces us to confront questions about the nature of law and order, the limits of technology, and the enduring human capacity for both good and evil. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of this exploration is the realization that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we can possibly imagine. New discoveries are being made all the time, challenging our assumptions and expanding our horizons. The universe is a canvas upon which our imaginations can run wild, painting pictures of cosmic adventures and interstellar intrigue. Section 9. The future of piracy. Will it boldly go? As technology advances and humanity ventures further into the cosmos, the question of space piracy and smuggling takes on a new urgency. Will these activities become more prevalent as we establish colonies on other planets and compete for resources in the vast expanse of space? Imagine a future where asteroid mining becomes commonplace, with corporations vying for control of these celestial treasure troves. As the lines between nations blur in space, the enforcement of laws and regulations could become even more complex. This could create a breeding ground for black markets and illicit activities, with smugglers exploiting legal loopholes and operating in the gray areas of interstellar commerce. The future of piracy in space is ultimately tied to the choices we make as a species. Section 10. Join the expedition. Your thoughts on space piracy. As we conclude our journey into the realm of space pirates and galactic smugglers, one thing is clear. The universe is a place of endless possibilities where imagination knows no bounds. What are your thoughts on the possibility of space pirates and galactic smugglers? Do you think they could exist? And if so, what form might they take? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of the cosmos and the wonders that await us among the stars.